Hello, we are here again for another Tech Tip Tuesday. We're going to talk about the last of the filter in our system, and that is the boom filter. The canister always will show you where is the flow, what is the in and what is the out. So you will get from the pump, the oil goes through the filter, and from the filter it goes into your boom control valves. The parts in this one is the element inside, the O-ring to seal it, and the little indicator, and when this indicator goes red, it's plugged. If you need it, if something happened with your system, we have the oil style indicator and the new style indicator in stock. You don't have to change the whole housing, you can change only the indicators. Also, critical for this system to work, so you won't have a leakage of oil over there, we have the O-ring that goes inside. Just to cover all the filters. Boom filter every 250 hours. Suction filter, the one that works for the accumulator circuit, every 250 hours. And the main filter, the main return filter, every 500 hours. If you need more information, or if you have any idea of what would you like to see in our Tech Tip Tuesdays, please let us know. We will try to accommodate you as soon as possible. Bye.